Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University and the Forex Cash Machine. And so good to be with you here on this Friday, the 4th of June, 2021. This is non-farm payroll day. And we are looking at what's going on with the euro. We're going to, I've actually taken a few positions on the euro ahead of the announcement. And we'll see if those positions will get limited out or stopped out. And so it's 8:28 a.m. and we are going to be looking at it together. And very exciting moment, an exciting day, non-farm payroll day. This is what traders have been waiting around the world for, this announcement. And hope you guys are doing well and having a great day. It's going to be Friday. Today is also my twins they're going to graduate from school, and that's going to be pretty fun too. I'm going to get off this 4-hour chart and get on down to move on down to maybe like a 5-minute chart, so we can see what's going on. And you can see that the price is already moving lower. Things moving higher and lower. This is a 5-minute chart of the euro. The euro USD is my weapon of choice when trading U.S. news, the U.S. news cycle at 8:30 news cycle, and it's 8:29 a.m. We've got 1 minute before the announcement for non-farm payroll for the month of May. The month of May. Remember, it's backward looking. And here we go, and we've got a release, and we are getting limited out on our orders on non-farm payroll. And we'll take a look at the number. The number has been released, and I'd like to take a quick look at it. And we had a quick move up with the orders being filled. I want to take a quick peek at what's going on with the actual number, the actual release. But it has been released. We know that it has been non-farm payroll. This is the euro, and we've got some pretty big movement. And you can see that I predicted correctly the market direction, and so as we are. So we can see that we are hitting our targets. I'm going to go down the 1-minute chart so we can see what's going on here. Oh, big move up to the upside there. And we've got some more big bullish candle coming up out of our range box. This is our opening range box for the London Open. And usually the low that we make, the low we make in London is usually the low of the day. And so we'll see if we can get some more movement in this non-farm payroll. 21.44 the euro. This is the euro versus the and this is 8.31 right now. We're trading the euro. You can see that. And let's see if we can hit the rest of these targets here. Moving a little more, price action slowing down a little bit. I'll take a quick look at the actual number for you guys. And we can see Aussie dollar moving to the top of the heat map, also New Zealand dollar as well, and the number on non-farm payroll. We can go ahead and refresh that very quickly and get that non-farm payroll. Still waiting for that number to come through. We are closing out orders at the same time. Yeah. I didn't. moving up ever so slowly. We added 559,000 jobs in May versus 671,000, the estimate. So so this was a miss. This non-farm payroll number was a miss. So it did miss. Again, the U.S. added 559,000 jobs in May versus 671,000, the estimate. And then we see this a push higher. And I'm going to go ahead and close some of these positions right now. Yeah. And we're going to go ahead and close that. Okay. So we're flat the market. Okay. And yeah, we took some massive gains on the euro and the Aussie and the pound yen. These pound yens we hit last night, and so we've had some pretty massive gains there. So $97,000 on non-farm payroll. Okay, so that was kind of a muted, very slow motion kind of response there on the and then we're already out of the market. We can see the trades that these green arrows represent the trades what we took. We took some of these trades during London, so we had to like sit through a little bit of a drawdown. But some of these were pretty cool. Okay, so again, the U.S. jobs number was not as good as expected, and so but the 559, it's a lot of jobs being created, and the dollar took it on the chin and gave back a lot of its gains. The pound gained against the yen, and so we took the non-farm payroll spike and we took it. So this is what we do and what we teach in Elite Traders University: how to trade non-farm payroll, how to trade the news, how to scalp the market and get in and out of the market in just a matter of a few minutes. We started some of the trades were held a couple hours going into this, but for the most part we have all green, not a single loss today. Okay, so I just ask you, are you learning? Are you taking courses or paying for courses or enrolled in programs or members of chat rooms and things in which the person who is helping you is a former Wall Street insider? I worked for one of the largest Forex broker dealers in the world, FXCM. I was a currency analyst for a number of years. I was also a trainer and instructor in their course department. And so I have 25 years of experience in the Forex market. And now, for a limited amount of time, because, 25 years means I'm getting up there in age. And I love Maui, and I love hanging out at the beach, and actually met one of my friends that I used to work with on the desk. He's in Hawaii as well, and and he says, Greg, we should just hang out, dude. You trade too much. And it's like, I'm getting close to that number where I don't have to trade anymore, which is, I'm well over that number, but I do it because I really enjoy working with people, working with students, and helping them. I find the most serious students, the ones who are willing to invest time and also their own funds and their own education. That's where the most success comes from. Nothing is a free lunch, and courses for free usually don't mean results. So if you desire and you have the resources to do so, feel free to enroll in one of our courses and learn this very precious gift of how to make money in the market. How to make money in the market. That's what you want to do. That's what you've been trying to do, but you've been trying to do it yourself. trying to do it the hard way, trying to do it the buy and hold way. And you get guys saying, oh yeah, just hold and swing trade. The banks don't do this. The banks don't swing trade. The banks don't buy and hold. The banks flip and turn money quickly. Why do you think it's moving so fast? I'm not the only one moving them in the market. I'm not moving the market. I'm a small player compared to the big banks. So why is the price moving so quickly? Because the banks are moving quickly. The insurance companies are moving quickly. The hedge funds, companies that have trading desks where they don't make any money selling their products, they have trading desks. The endowment funds, the colleges, they have trading desks as well. You think your tuition pays for those colleges and those nice shiny buildings at Yale and Harvard? 12% of your tuition, of student tuition money, pays for the operations of a college. The other 83% comes from their endowment fund, which is basically their trading desk, right? And maybe a percentage from donors, but most of it comes from endowment funds, from trading desks that make money just like this to keep those schools open. Okay, and just remember that companies have trading desks, colleges have trading desks, but you don't have trading desks. So when things go south, you have to go to the government for a handout. Okay, which worked, pretty good during the pandemic. But there's some people that that didn't qualify or didn't get or didn't know how to get access to the government handout. And there's forecasts, not to be a negative Nelly, but there's going to be another pandemic. You don't think a bacteria is going to come around or a virus is going to come around and not come around anymore? It's going to happen again. And when they shut down everything again, what are you going to do? And if they run out of money, they can't. They're printing trillions of dollars now. If they have a second pandemic, that's basically going to drain everything out of the economy. So you better be ready, and you better have a plan. And learning how to trade is a skill set. It's a career move. It's a way of hedging your bets, so you won't be put in that vulnerable position. I'm going to end this on a positive note because it's Friday. It's a happy day, very happy day, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Or, if you still are curious, still want to learn more, and I still come on over to our Forex Cash Machine. There you go, Forex Cash Machine. Come over to our Facebook group. All right, talk to you later. Cheers, bye.